Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And on that note, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line there. Sure, it pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as straightforward as possible. So we'll get rid of that. And the first update that needs to occur comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, you should remember me talking about $1.50 as resistance, but now that the price is broken up above it, that would be a near-term level of support. Taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture point of view, it's really all about the purple line right now, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, no doubt about it. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to keep on building, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Going into tomorrow, I'm not sure if that's where the price closed today yet or not. Oh, just shy, right up there at about $1.80. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see a lot of data points. You can see $1.80 was that level of support. When supports fail, they tend to act as resistance, which they did right there, and it's essentially doing it again once more. So while I'm not saying that $1.80 is impossible to break, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling to get above that area. With a break of $1.80, next key level of resistance right up there at the top of that former range at, oh, that makes it easy, $2. So $1.80, $2. Next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice start to the week. So we'll see how things continue to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.